In today's fast-paced financial world, opportunities for investment are abundant. The digital age has revolutionized the way we approach trading, making it more accessible and convenient than ever before. With just a few clicks, you can dive into the world of online trading and explore a myriad of investment opportunities. Binomo emerges as a leading online trading platform, offering a user-friendly experience for both beginners and seasoned traders. Its intuitive design and comprehensive features make it a go-to choice for those looking to navigate the complexities of the financial markets with ease. Whether you're looking to dip your toes into the world of trading or seeking to expand your investment portfolio, Binomo provides a seamless and intuitive platform. The platform is designed to cater to the needs of all types of traders, from novices to experts, ensuring that everyone can find their footing in the trading world. With its straightforward interface and diverse range of assets, Binomo empowers individuals to participate in global markets with ease. The platform offers a wide variety of trading options, including currencies, commodities, and other assets, allowing users to diversify their investments and explore new opportunities. Binomo stands out for its commitment to simplicity and accessibility. The platform's user-friendly design makes it easy for anyone to navigate, regardless of their prior trading experience. This focus on simplicity ensures that even those new to trading can quickly get up to speed and start making informed decisions. The platform's user-friendly design makes it easy for anyone to navigate, regardless of their prior trading experience. Binomo's interface is clean and intuitive, with all the necessary tools and information readily accessible. This makes it an ideal choice for those who may be intimidated by more complex trading platforms. Clear and concise information is readily available, ensuring that users can make informed trading decisions. Binomo provides detailed charts, real-time data, and comprehensive analysis tools, allowing traders to stay on top of market trends and make strategic moves. Moreover, Binomo offers a variety of educational resources and support channels to guide traders on their journey to success. From tutorial videos and articles to live chat support, Binomo ensures that users have all the assistance they need to navigate the platform and improve their trading skills. Whether you're interested in trading currencies, commodities, or other assets, Binomo provides a comprehensive trading environment. The platform's extensive range of assets means that traders can find opportunities in various markets, allowing them to diversify their portfolios and mitigate risks. The platform's intuitive design extends to its charting tools, indicators, and order execution features, making it a seamless experience for traders of all levels. Binomo's advanced tools and features are designed to provide traders with the insights they need to make informed decisions and execute trades efficiently. With its commitment to providing a user-friendly and accessible trading experience, Binomo has become a popular choice for those seeking to navigate the exciting world of online trading. The platform's dedication to simplicity, comprehensive features, and robust support make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to explore the financial markets and achieve their trading goals. Embarking on your Binomo trading journey is a simple and straightforward process. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete beginner, Binomo's user-friendly interface ensures that you can get started with ease. The first step is to create an account on the Binomo platform. This process is designed to be quick and hassle-free, allowing you to get up and running in no time. This involves providing some basic personal information and verifying your email address. Verification is crucial as it ensures the security of your account and helps prevent unauthorized access. Once your account is set up, you'll need to fund it to start trading. Funding your account is a seamless process, and Binomo provides multiple options to suit your convenience. Binomo offers a variety of convenient deposit methods, making it easy to fund your account securely. You can choose from options such as credit or debit cards, bank transfers, or e-wallets, depending on your preference. Each method is designed to ensure that your transactions are safe and your funds are protected. E-wallets are particularly popular for their speed and convenience, allowing you to deposit funds instantly and start trading without delay. With a funded account, you're now ready to explore the platform's features and start trading. Binomo's interface is intuitive, making it easy to navigate through various sections and find the tools you need. Before diving into live trading, it's highly recommended to familiarize yourself with the platform's demo account. The demo account is an invaluable resource for both new and experienced traders. The demo account provides a risk-free environment where you can practice trading with virtual funds. This allows you to understand how the market works and how to execute trades without any financial risk. This allows you to get comfortable with the platform's interface, test different trading strategies, and build your confidence without risking real money. You can experiment with various tools and indicators to see what works best for you. Once you feel confident in your trading abilities, you can switch to a live account and start trading with real funds. Transitioning from a demo account to a live account is a significant step, and Binomo makes it as smooth as possible. Binomo offers a variety of assets to trade, including currency pairs, commodities, stocks, and indices. This diversity allows you to create a well-rounded trading portfolio. You can choose the assets that align with your trading goals and risk tolerance. Whether you're interested in the Forex market, commodities like gold and oil, or stocks of major companies, Binomo has something for everyone. Additionally, Binomo provides a range of market analysis tools to help you make informed trading decisions. These tools include charts, graphs, and technical indicators that can give you insights into market trends and potential trading opportunities. Setting up a trading strategy is crucial for success. Binomo's platform allows you to customize your trading strategies to match your personal preferences and risk appetite. Reviewing your trading history and performance metrics can provide valuable insights into your trading habits and help you refine your strategies over time. If you ever need assistance, Binomo's customer support is readily available to help you with any questions or issues you may encounter. Their support team is knowledgeable and responsive, ensuring that you have a smooth trading experience. With the right preparation and tools, you can embark on a successful trading journey with Binomo. Remember, trading involves risks, but with practice and the right strategies, you can navigate the markets confidently. Trend following is a popular trading strategy that involves identifying and capitalizing on the prevailing direction of market prices. This strategy is widely used by traders and investors who believe that once a trend is established, it is likely to continue for a certain period. By recognizing these trends early, traders can position themselves to benefit from the market's momentum. The underlying principle is that prices tend to move in trends, either upwards or downwards. These trends can be influenced by various factors, including economic indicators, market sentiment, and geopolitical events. Understanding the reasons behind these trends can provide traders with additional insights and confidence in their trading decisions. Trend followers aim to enter trades in the direction of the trend and ride it for as long as it lasts. This approach requires patience and discipline, as traders must be willing to hold their positions through minor market fluctuations and avoid the temptation to exit too early. To identify a trend, traders often look for patterns and formations on price charts. These patterns can include head and shoulders, double tops and bottoms, and triangles, among others. Recognizing these formations can help traders anticipate potential trend reversals or continuations. An uptrend is characterized by a series of higher highs and higher lows, indicating that the market is experiencing upward momentum. This pattern suggests that buyers are in control, pushing prices higher over time, while a downtrend is marked by lower highs and lower lows, signaling that sellers are dominating the market and driving prices down. Identifying these trends early can help traders make informed decisions about when to enter or exit trades. Traders may use technical indicators, such as moving averages or trend lines, to confirm the direction of the trend. Moving averages smooth out price data to help identify the overall direction, while trend lines can provide visual cues about the strength and duration of the trend. Once a trend is identified, traders can enter trades in the direction of the trend. This involves buying in an uptrend or selling in a downtrend with the goal of profiting from the continued movement in that direction. For example, if an uptrend is identified, traders may look for buying opportunities during pullbacks or consolidations within the uptrend. These temporary declines can provide favorable entry points for traders looking to join the trend at a lower price. Similarly, in a downtrend, traders may seek selling opportunities during rallies or bounces. These brief upward movements can offer advantageous entry points for traders aiming to capitalize on the overall downward trend. Trend following can be an effective strategy, but it's essential to remember that trends don't last forever. Market conditions can change rapidly, and what was once a strong trend can quickly reverse or enter a period of consolidation. Markets are constantly evolving, and trends can reverse or consolidate. Staying vigilant and adaptable is crucial for traders who want to succeed with a trend-following strategy. This means continuously monitoring the market for signs of change and being prepared to adjust your approach as needed. Therefore, it's crucial to implement risk management techniques, such as setting stop-loss orders, to protect your profits and limit potential losses. Stop-loss orders can automatically close a position if the market moves against you, helping to minimize the impact of adverse price movements. Additionally, diversifying your trades and not overcommitting to a single position can further reduce risk and enhance your overall trading strategy. News trading is a strategy that involves taking advantage of the market volatility and price movements that occur in response to significant news events. Economic indicators, political announcements, company earnings reports, and geopolitical developments can all have a substantial impact on financial markets. News traders closely monitor these events and aim to profit from the resulting price fluctuations. When a major news event occurs, it can trigger a rapid shift in market sentiment, leading to increased trading volume and price volatility. News traders strive to identify these events in advance and anticipate their potential impact on asset prices. They may use news sources, economic calendars, or specialized trading platforms that provide real-time news feeds. News trading requires quick thinking, timely execution, and a sound understanding of market dynamics. Traders need to be able to analyze news events quickly, assess their potential impact, and make trading decisions promptly. It's also important to note that news trading can be highly volatile, and prices can move rapidly in either direction.